Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the features of Python. That is, why we are going to learn Python. Why CBSE has introduced Python in place of C or C++. Now, there are many features, uh, many features of Python due to which it is becoming popular nowadays. Okay. So the basic idea of any programming language is to develop programming logic in the students, to develop the ability to understand and apply basic computational thinking. Basically, the purpose of using a computer is to automate tasks, and to automate the task you need to know programming, how to write programs so that the task becomes automatic. Now there are so many programming languages available nowadays, so why we should learn Python? Let us discuss some of the features of Python to understand why over the years it has become a popular language, and more specifically why we are going to learn Python. For a brief history, we are not going in detail about history of Python. Python is a high-level programming language. It is an object-oriented programming language, and it is developed by G.V. Rossum in 1990s. So let us start with some common features which is present in mostly all of the programming language, which most of the programming languages provide. So Python has a very simple syntax. It has a very, we can say, elegant syntax that makes the program more readable. It is easier to write programs in Python, and this is one of the features which is a little bit different from other programming languages. Other programming languages, they have a rigid syntax. You have to follow them. Python syntax is much simpler. It has a large standard library, and it uses the concept of batteries included. That means it provides most of the useful tasks in form of packages. It provides a number of modules. It provides a number of packages, we can say, which we can use in our program instead of writing code for them. So most of the common programming tasks, such as file handling, connecting to the database, to the web servers, or creating graphs, working with data structures, performing data structure operations, for all these tasks Python provides a large standard library, large set of functions. So this is one of the features which makes programming quick. So this is the reason why we can say Python is offering a good opportunity to reduce your task of writing code, or spending time in writing code for simple tasks. Rather, we can concentrate or give time to more complex tasks, doing more complex tasks or doing more complex programs. So this also in turn reduces your development time. So nowadays we cannot waste so much time, like we cannot waste 6 months or a year or 2 years for developing a program. Rather, we need it quickly. And more specifically, Python is useful in web applications, where we need new applications every day. So that is why Python is becoming more popular. Then Python provides to work us with two different modes, script mode as well as interactive mode. Interactive mode makes us easy to write and test a short code or a small code, whereas script mode allows us to write programs and save them as Python files. Python is originally interpreted. That means it uses an interpreter for translating the Python programs into machine code. And In an interpreter, the code is executed line by line. So until and unless we are not rectifying the error, it will not move to the next line. So this makes debugging much more easier, or it makes the program more error free. Next, Python is extensible. That means it can easily be extended by adding new modules which are written in other programming languages, or we can say compiled in other programming languages. So we can say Python provides many flavors like CPython that integrates C into Python, JPython or Jython that integrates Java code into Python, IPython which integrates .NET C# code into Python. Another feature of Python is embedded. Just like we can integrate code of other programming languages into Python, Python code can also be embedded into applications developed in other programming languages like C, C++ and Java. Then it is a free software. It can be easily downloaded from python.org. There are many different we can say Python idealists, like we have Anaconda Python where we have many notebook like Jupyter, and where we can write programs, and we have a simple Ideally where we can write and test our code. Another important feature which is Python can be used in many programming languages. It can be many applications. It can be used for web development, it can be used for GUI programming, rapid prototyping, it is used for game development, it is used for developing database applications, and so on. Now, as we have discussed, Python is object-oriented. Python is an object-oriented programming language. As in case of C++, it is not completely object-oriented, but in Python, everything is represented in terms of an objects, and it supports classes with multiple inheritances. Its code can be grouped into modules and packages. It can be run anywhere in any platform like Windows, Linux, Mac, and also Python is available for Android and iOS. Another feature is its automatic memory management, or we can say it has a free garbage collector which frees from having to manually allocate or free memory in the code. Allocate and deallocate memory in the code. It provides database connectivity in programs with many commercial applications like MySQL, etc. So we have already discussed some common features. Now let us have a look into the specific features which makes it more popular. The first and the common feature is that it is an open source language. That means it can be not only available, it is not only available freely, but it's it can be freely modified as well as redistributed, and it is available under the open source license. Now, the most important feature of Python is dynamic data type. It depends. The data type of a variable need not be declared beforehand as in case of other programming languages. Rather, the type of a variable is determined depending upon the value assigned to it. However, it does not allow to mix any data type, like incompatible type. If we try to mix, like adding a string to a number, it will cause an exception. It suppose catching and handling exceptions. It results in cleaner error handling. There are a variety of basic data types in Python, like numeric. In numeric, we have integers, floating point, complex numbers. Then we have strings supporting both ASCII and Unicode. Then we have lists, tuples, dictionaries, etc. One of the most important feature of Python is handling big data. That is why it has become more popular for web development. So Python can handle huge amount of data, and hence it is widely used for big data processing. For instance, we can say you see all these online shopping sites like Amazon or Flipkart or etc. They need to handle a lot of data. That too, they need not be structured. They need not be of all the products available in them need not have the same features. So we cannot handle them using some programming languages that supports only structured data handling. Python supports unstructured, structured as well as unstructured data handling. It also supports parallel computing, and it can process data in clusters. Some Python libraries for this is PyDuke, PyScap, Spark, and Dask. Then Python is also used in data science. In fact, it is becoming one of the most preferable programming languages for many data scientists, for academic scholars, for researchers, because it provides many numerical engines like NumPy, Pandas, etc., which are useful for scientific research, and they help in processing tabular data in the form of matrices. They help in processing statistical data. They provide libraries for data visualization, like creating graphs and charts using Matplotlib, Seaborn, etc. This helps them to work efficiently. Then it contains many advanced programming features such as generators, list comprehensions, etc., which makes the code even shorter. Then with AI, we know with artificial intelligence or AI, we can program machine to mimic human brain, to have the ability to think, analyze, and to make decisions. Python provides many libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, etc., that provides machine learning functionality and image recognition, etc. So Python is also used in artificial intelligence. We have already discussed 2-3 times that Python is one of the most preferred language for web development. This is because it provides many framework for developing websites like Django, Flask, Pylons, etc., that makes the code faster and stable. Also, we can perform web scraping, where details can be fetched from other websites. Many websites such as Instagram, Pinterest, etc., are built on this framework. So these are, to sum up, these are some major features of Python, like dynamic data typing, big data handling, use in data science, artificial intelligence, web development, open source, etc. However, there are few limitations of Python. Some of its features may also be a limitation for Python. That is, it's not very fast as it is interpreted. Compilers are somewhat faster. So other programming languages may be little faster. because it has not that rigid syntax, so it is not very easily convertible to other programming languages. Again, the dynamic data typing nature may be a shortfall, as it may have problem in handling type mismatch error, or it has type mismatch issues. uh, it cannot easily locate the type mismatch error, and it may not be very suitable for memory intensive task, as its memory consumption is very high because of the type flexibility nature. Again, it may again result in runtime errors because of the dynamic typing nature. So these are few limitations of Python, and there is one assignment we can which you can do, complete. That's all. Thank you.